This is where most cabinet projects live for me. Flat parts, nested on a sheet, ready to cut. But that nest came from a real model. Joinery worked out, hardware accounted for, every panel sized for the material I'm actually running. Same file, same parts, just viewed from the other end of the workflow. Normally, this is where a project ends for me. I cut the parts, I built the cabinet, and if a client wants to see it ahead of time, I'm usually sketching on a napkin or pulling reference photos straight off the internet. So, I'm gonna ask the assistant. Put this cabinet in a mid-century modern coffee setup. Walnut and brass, morning light, espresso machine on top, the whole scene. And there it is. The cabinet I'm about to build in a room it's about to live in. From a nest on a CNC sheet to a client-ready image without leaving Fusion.